Ultimia believes that the heart of happiness starts at home, and great technology should make those moments even better. With some already impressive entertainment devices in their lineup, including projectors, laser TVs, and sound systems, they are hoping that their new soundbar surround system will not only catch your eye, but also save you a lot of money. This is the Ultimia Aura A30 5.1 soundbar. At a current asking price of a little over $100, this system promises to deliver cinematic sound right to your living room. The A30 features a 5.1 surround sound system that brings immersive audio to any movie night, gaming session, or music experience. With powerful bass, crystal clear dialogue, and multi-dimensional sound, it's engineered to transform your home into an entertainment hub. So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. When unboxing the Aura A30, you will find several items in the box. These include the soundbar, a subwoofer, 2 separate speakers, a remote control, a surround cable, a digital optical cable, a power adapter and cables, a wall mount kit with brackets, and mounting screws. Alright, so let's first talk about the build quality of the Aura A30 speakers, because honestly, I wasn't expecting to be this impressed. The soundbar itself has this sleek, minimalist vibe, not over the top, but just a clean, modern design that fits in nicely with most setups. The subwoofer is thankfully relatively compact and sturdy, with a rubberized base to keep it from sliding around when the bass really kicks in. I also love the downward firing design, which pushes the sound out into the room without shaking the floor too much. Now, the rear speakers were a nice surprise too. They're small and easy to move, which makes it simple to position them wherever you want. I will say they've got a bit of weight to them, enough that you can tell they're packing some decent magnets inside. They definitely don't feel cheap or plasticky, which was a pleasant surprise considering the price. You can tell some real thought went into making these feel durable. Setting up the Ultimia surround soundbar is super easy. First things first, find a good spot for it. It's best to place it right in front of your TV, on a shelf, or you can even mount it on the wall. The rear speakers of the soundbar are a great addition to your audio setup, and one of the best parts is that they're wireless. This means you can position them wherever you want without worrying about messy cables cluttering your space. Since they're wireless, you're not tethered to the soundbar, allowing you to set them up at a fair distance. This flexibility is awesome because it lets you create a true surround sound experience. You can place the rear speakers behind your couch or in a different part of the room, giving you that immersive audio feel without compromising on style. It is recommended you keep them within 1.5 feet of the soundbar though, but that's still pretty good. You do have the option to have these on a wall thanks to the provided brackets, but for me, I love the freestanding look. The subwoofer is designed to fit perfectly with the soundbar, creating a balanced audio experience that really amps up your listening across all modes. I'd recommend putting it on the floor near the soundbar for the best effect. With Bass MX technology, it really enhances those low-frequency sounds, giving you deep, powerful bass that makes movies and music come alive. You'll feel the rumble during action scenes or the thump in your favorite songs. Honestly, I've been really impressed. It does an awesome job. The Aura A30 is equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, which brings some impressive benefits to the table. This latest version of Bluetooth offers a more stable connection, lower latency, and improved range, so you can enjoy seamless audio streaming from your devices without those annoying drops in sound quality. The enhanced Bluetooth capabilities mean you can stay connected while moving around the room, making it super convenient to switch between different sources like your phone while you're in another room. What I really like is the fact the Ultimia A30 comes with a smart app that enhances your audio experience by providing easy control and customization options. This app is super user-friendly with a clean design that makes it super easy to navigate. No tech skills required. Everything you need is laid out really well. One of the coolest features is the ability to switch between different sound modes that fit whatever you're doing, whether it's movie night, gaming, or just chilling. Each mode fine-tunes the audio to enhance your experience based on what you're listening to. Honestly, it does a pretty solid job of optimizing sound levels for different situations. And get this, the soundbar has over 121 preset EQ matrices. That means you can easily customize your sound for whatever you're into. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or playing games, there's a preset that will make everything sound just much more tailored to what you need. A 10-band equalizer on here also divides the audio spectrum into 10 different frequency bands, allowing you to adjust the sound at specific ranges. It's pretty neat because you can fine-tune the sound to match both your preferences and the acoustics of your room. Take a listen to some of the EQ presets.
Trained you well.
I killed Snoke. I'll kill you.
My boy, I made Snoke. I have been every voice you have ever heard inside your head. I have died before. The dark side of the Force is a pathway to many abilities some consider to be unnatural.
Now, all in all, the Aura A30 5.1 soundbar offers a lot of impressive features at a budget-friendly price. The sound quality is truly remarkable for what you pay, delivering clear and powerful audio thanks to its 250-watt output and bass MX technology. The build quality feels solid, and the slim, compact design of all the speakers makes them easy to fit into any space. If you're looking for a soundbar that combines impressive sound quality, good build, and ease of use without breaking the bank, the Aura A30 5.1 soundbar is definitely worth considering. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.